Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna review about Nivea Soft Light Moisturizing Cream. You can use it on face, hands and body. So they have mentioned 95% naturally derived ingredients versus previous formula. Now with ingredients from nature retaining plus 50% of their natural state after being processed, including water. No animal derived ingredients. You can use it for fresh and soft skin, 48-hour hydration, non-greasy, vitamin E and 100% natural jojoba oil. So this is of 300 ml. So the MRP of this is 650 rupees and the shell life is 2.5 years. So in online and all you can get it for discount also. I think I got it for 50% off, like for 300 changes. So you can check it out. And also they have mentioned all the ingredients and all. So it is dermatologically tested. Once you open, you can find a thin sheet. Remove it and you can see the cream. So I'll apply a small portion and I'll show how it looks. Yeah, see, this is the consistency of this. You can blend it properly. So after blending it properly, this is how it looks. So it's non-greasy and non-sticky, looks natural. Coming to the review part, I've been using this for like more than 7 years and it really works on me. I have super dry skin and it really works on me. Like I don't like very oily look, so it gives that clean look, non-greasy look, so it is perfect for me. I use it every day in the morning and night after washing my face. So even before applying makeup also, for the base, like moisturizer we use, no, that one, for this one only I'm using and it really suits my skin. They have wide variety of this moisturizer, like this is 300 ml. So if you want to check it, you can take small one. So even 50 ml is also available, so you can check it out in that. So if it suits your skin, if it is good for you, you can use it. Very good for everyday use. I usually apply it on my face only, so body I use some other lotions, but really good. Please do try it. Thank you for watching my video.